Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss arithmetic addition multiplication with respect to any modulo. For example, in this, we will consider with respect to modulo 8. After completion of that one, we will discuss how do you calculate additive inverse and multiplicative inverse, same with respect to modulo 8. So we know the how do you perform addition. Simply plus is called addition. What is the procedure? The procedure is simply you have to construct a table 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 addition 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do you perform addition? Simply x and y are the two numbers, x plus y mod 8. Whatever the remainder we are getting, that is addition with mod 8. So 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 means 0 mod 8, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2 mod 8, 3 mod 8, 4 mod 8, 5 mod 8, 6 mod 8. So mod 8 in the sense the reminders, mod 8 in the sense remainder. Now the next thing is 1 plus 0 means 1, 1 mod 8, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 mod 8, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 5, 6. Now 1 plus 6 in the 7, 7. 7 mod 8 is 7. Now the next step is 1 plus 7, 8. 8 mod 8 is equal to 0. 8 mod 8 is equal to 0. In the similar fashion, we will complete all the tables. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 in the sense 0. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 mod 8 is 1. Now, for this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2. That is the simple procedure. For 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For 6, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And finally for 7, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the very easy procedure to write down the additive inverse. Sorry, not inverse, addition with modulo 8. Similarly, I will explain multiplication with modulo 8 also. How do you provide multiplication? Simply x into y mod 8. X into y mod 8. Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiplication 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, so the first thing is the entire row is 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1 mod 8, 1. 1 into 2, 2 mod 8. 2 mod 8 is 2. 3 mod 8, 4 mod 8, 5, 6, 7. Like this. Simply perform the cell, that is the corresponding row and columns are multiplied each other. 2 into 0, 2 into 1, 2, 4, 6. 2 into 4 is 8. That is the remainder is 0, 2, 4, 6. For row 3, 0, 3, 6, 3 into 3, 9 in the sense 1, 4, 3, 2. 3 into 5 is 15, that is the 7 to 5. Like this, we can complete the entire table. 0, 4, 0, 4, 0, 4, 0, 4. For number 5, 0, 5, 2, 7. 5 into 4 is 20. 20 in the sense 4, 1, 6, 3. 0, 6, 4, 2, 0, 6, 4, 2. 0, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the table. This is the multiplication table. Now the question is, how do we calculate additive inverse and multiplicative inverse? This is our main goal. Additive inverse. For example, x is an integer. The negative of an integer, the negative of an integer x is an integer y. Suppose the negative of an integer x is represented as y such that x plus y mod 8 is equal to 0. That is, if you are performing x and the negative of x is represented as y, if you performing addition with mod 8, compulsory the remainder is 0, then only the two are called additive inverse. For example, the same thing, w additive is represented as minus w. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0, for 0, additive inverse is no. For 1, we are performing modulus with 8. We have two ways. The first one is modulus with 8. For 1, that means what is the representation? Minus 1 mod 8. The simple thing is subtract this from this. 8 minus 1, the answer is 7. Simply 7. That means 1 plus 7, that is 8. 8 mod 8 is only 0. Then 2. For 2, if you are adding with 6. For 3, we are adding it to 5. That is 3 plus 5, 8. 8 mod 8 is 0. You got the point? Simply for a number, if you are adding with any number, if the remainder is 0, then that is called additive inverse. 3, 2, 1. This is called additive inverse. Or we can use another way. What is this way? Identify the rows where 0 occur. So this is 0. 0 is at this position. 0 is at this position. That is, for value 0, the additive inverse is the column 0. Now, row 1. For value 1, what is the additive inverse? 0 occur at this position. So, 7 is the additive inverse. For row 2, 0 occur at this position. That is, for the value 2, the additive inverse is 6. Value 3. 0 is at this position. So the additive inverse is 5. Value 4, additive inverse is number 4. Similarly, value 5, the additive inverse is 3. Value 6, the additive inverse is 2. And finally, value 7, the additive inverse is 1. You got it? For each and every row, the cell where 0 occurs, that corresponding column becomes the additive inverse. Corresponding columns becomes the additive inverse. Or we can use this way. By performing addition with mod 8, the remainder is 0. Both are same. Now, along with additive inverse, what you required? You required multiplicative inverse. Simply the same procedure. If x is an integer, the negative of an integer x is represented as y such that x into y mod 8 is equal to 1. In this case, we have to identify the rows where the remainder is 1. Where the remainder is 1. That means what is the procedure? The procedure is we have to scan across the matrix in the row for that integer to find the value 1. That is for row 0. Is any 1 occur? No. That means value 0 has no multiplicative inverse. Value 1. Here 1 occur at this position. So value 1, what is the multiplicative inverse? 1 is the multiplicative inverse. 2. Is 0, 1 occur in that row? No. So for 2, we have no multiplicative inverse. 3. Yes. For value 3, 1 occur at column 3. So the multiplicative inverse of 3 is 3. 4. Actually, there is no one on the row 4. 5. We have 5. 1 is at this position. So 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5. For 6, no one is present. For 7, 1 is present at this position. So this is the multiplicative inverse. Simply scan the row where it contains 1. The corresponding column becomes the multiplicative inverse. It is represented as W inverse. Represented as W inverse. For 0, there is no multiplicative inverse. For 1, 1. 2, there is no multiplicative. 3, we already discussed. 7. Or another way is we have to identify, for example, number 5 into y mod 8 is equal to 1. For which value of y we are getting remainder as 1. Suppose y is equal to 1, 5 into 1, 5 mod 8, the remainder is 5. 5 into 2, that is 10 mod 8, the remainder is 1, not. 5 into 3, 15 mod 8, the remainder is 7. 5 into 4, 20, 20 mod 8, the remainder is 4. 5 into 5, 25, 25 mod 8, the remainder is 5. So for y is equal to 5, we are getting a remainder as 5. So this 5 is called multiplicative inverse. This is the way to calculate additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Thank you.